first what you're going to do is to make the bot and get it into your Discord server. You can do this by going to discord.com/developer/applications, which takes you to the Discord developer portal, where you can go over here and make a new application. You can name this anything you want. Here I'm going to name it Arduino bot. Then head over to the bot tab, hit add bot, and then go over to OAuth 2, select bot, go down to scopes and select bot, select send messages, and you can copy that, paste that URL to your search bar, and add the server. I'm going to add it to the test server, which is my only server. So continue, authorize, alright, and close out of this tab, and then here you can see that you have Arduino bot in your Discord server. So now we have to get the Arduino set up, so let's go over to that. Next up is the Arduino. So you're going to need 2 connector wires, an LED, and a 220 ohm resistor. So take one of the connector wires, plug this into the ground on the Arduino, like so. Plug that into the ground over there on the breadboard, and then take the other one, plug that into the pin 3 on the Arduino. Yep. Then plug that in somewhere along the breadboard. Make sure you leave a space between the edge like that. You want to take the positive end on the LED, then plug that in right in front of the connector, like so. Then you want to take the 220 ohm resistor and then ground the other side of the LED by plugging this side into the ground and then pushing it in to the breadboard. So that's the circuit. And so now you can just plug the Arduino in, and there you go. That's the Arduino. So now let's switch over back to the computer to finish it up. So now that you have the Arduino set up, you want to go to the Arduino Code and upload that to the Arduino. So you compile, and there it's uploaded. So now the Arduino is completely set up. Now we just have to finish up the bot. So head back over to the Discord developer portal, go to bot, and hit copy on the token. Head back over to the code and select the area where it says bot token, and paste in the bot token you got from the Discord developer portal. Then save that file and run it. So now what you can do is go back to Discord, and you can see that the bot is now online. You can test out the commands by going toggle LED like that. Press enter. You can see LED turned on, and you should see LED turn on. I can do toggle LED again, and you can see it goes off. So there you go. That's how you make an Arduino bot.